Coast to coast, back at it again, man. There you go. Love it or hate it, man. 30s, Asante, staggered. On Durango. Whew. Nasty. Love it, hate it, different. He stayed in his own lane. 30-inch gold. Got a little poke, a little aggressive look going on. But that stance, that's crazy. Big boy stance, big boy wheels. 30s, man. Coast to coast, back at it again. Do what we do. What's going on, man? It's your boy Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and love it or hate it, my man staying in his own lane. 30-inch Asantes, gold-plated. These aren't powder, these are gold-plated 30-inch Asantes on a Durango, custom-made, custom-built. Check it out, suspension done. Got that aggressive, got that little bulldog look. Maybe you want to put a little fender flare on it to bring it out a little bit, but I love it. Listen, 30-inch gold Asantes, staggered. Probably one of the first one in the world. I don't know if there's another one out there. This might be the first one. Back at it, Coast to Coast Customs, always doing something different. Peace. All right, guys, it's your boy Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and I'm doing this build. This is going to be an awesome build. I got the back end of this build. Some people worked on the car before, and I'm finishing up some work right now on the car right now. So we're changing some upper control arms in the car. The stance wasn't right. You know, he actually came here because his alignment couldn't get right. And here's the biggest thing about alignments, right? You need to have upper control arms that you can adjust, right? And you can be able to shim so the tire stays straight. We all understand that. And lower control arms probably do need changed. We're working on, we strip the whole thing down, strip the upper arms. We change all the upper arms now. We're gonna pull the whole car apart, and in the back, we're gonna take the rear end out and adjust it. The rear end was shifted to one side, so it was kind of dragging as he was driving the vehicle. It was actually being pulled. Pretty interesting. Come over here working on it, going in progress. Kind of hard to see. I'll get the car in the lip, show you. We adjusted the suspension on it, got coilovers on the car, big brakes on there. We did a real nice frame notch in the back, and we did a tub, a mini tub in the back. You can put these monster 26, I think they're 26 by 14 on there, probably a 9-inch lip. Asante, something different. We're talking about someone that's staying in his own lane. He's building something different. 26 in the back, 24 in the front, Chevelle, convertible. He needs some more work done to the car, but when this car is done, I'm telling you, it's going to be beautiful. Later on, we'll show you the car when it's finished. We're done with it. But it still needs some other work done to it too, man. It's going to be done right. It's going to be done nice. The car and build. Like I say, guys, stay in your own lane. Do what makes you happy. Peace. Guys, Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, back at it again. I'm underneath this beautiful car, the Chevelle convertible that we're building right now. Like I said before, we're finishing this build up in this customer. Great guy, awesome build. I love the vision. The vision is something different, right? 26 in the back, 24 in the front. Do something different, right? Not like everybody else. That's what I love about this car. Here we go. The rear end was not built by me. Someone else built this rear end. Hey, great job. The rear end looks super sturdy, but it needs to be tweaked a little bit, man. We need to shift it a little bit and redirect it a little bit so we can go straight. That's what we did. Took the whole rear end out, took the whole suspension out. We bracketed some of these bars inside here. We reinforced some welding that needed to be done. We redid some of this frame notch inside here. We did some tubs inside here and just put it together, you know? A lot of little things that need to be finished up with the car. That's what we kind of went through and finished up on this awesome Chevelle. And you can see the quality of work, bar none, is perfect. This guy's got a nice car, nice build, and you get to peek underneath his skirt, which is usually hard to do. You don't get to look at people's cars usually, but this guy's allowing us to go under his car. And his car is P1, and it's going to be driving perfect. The suspension's right, and the car's going to go down the straight. Y'all tell me what you think. Peace. going on, man? It's Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and I'm back at it again. I got this guy's beautiful Chevelle. Now, I did not build the whole car. I got invited to build the end of the car, which is great. It's almost finished complete. It's a gorgeous car. It's going from shop to shop, getting finished up right now. I got an opportunity to work on a suspension, which I'm great at. It's suspension work. This guy got 26 by 14s on the back of the vehicle. And that was touching and rubbing, and it seemed to be doing a little shifting in the rear end. It's kind of like dragging when you're pulling it. So I specialize in the alignment, but just to do the alignment right, there's a lot of work that goes in the back end. His whole rear end had to be taken out and readjusted. I'm gonna show you that later on this video. But 26 by 14s, sitting low on the car, frame notch in there, short rear end is perfect. Got his, what he called, got his big brakes on there. Car rides, perfect. It's gonna be great. Got 24s in the front. We're not finished with yet, but it's gonna get done soon. We're gonna be finished with it shortly. But once I put this car in the air, you really can see all the work and the detail that gets done underneath the car, man. Coast to Coast Customs, always doing something different.
Time to go home.